This is an unboxing of the Technica ATR2100x USB microphone. It comes with USB-C connectivity as well as XLR. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. We have a nice covering to the microphone, and then it reveals the contents below. We have XLR cable with both ends, the male and female ends. We also have a USB to USB-C cable. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable. We have a microphone stand, a clip-on for the microphone holder to put onto the stand, paperwork, and then underneath the foam we have the microphone itself. It's a nice setup. It has USB-C and XLR on the back, as well as a headphone jack for monitoring. It has a nice switch and a hefty weight. This can go ahead and slide into the microphone holder. That's a nice snug fit. There's no chance of that falling out. So that'll be a nice, this will screw right onto the stand. Make sure that you tighten the stand in first, then you secure the lock ring right here. That will ensure that everything works well. Here now, I can go ahead and spread this open. And we have a nice stand for the Technica 2100x microphone. As far as connectivity, we can go ahead and put in the XLR jack right in there. As you can see, that has a nice solid positive connection, and then we can pull that out just like that. So it goes in nice and well, and that gives you a passive audio pass-through. If we want to use a USB-C connection, we can also put that in right there and put it into the device of our choice. Looking forward to trying this out to see how the recording quality works on the Technica ATR2100x USB microphone. Take this right out of here just to show a few more detail shots of the microphone. Happy recording.